Guys and gals, sweet motorhomes and RVs here with another cool tip and trick for the do-it-yourselfers out there. Today we're talking about these puck lights right here. And as you know, if you have these, they are a real bear to get loose. You have to turn them. They say to turn them right and then left. And even if you use two hands, you can't get them broke loose. So the easiest way to do this is to use panel tools. Now you can use kitchen spoons, but what we found with that is the edge of the spoon sometimes will chip the glass because these are real glass. So we say to use plastic, and the best way to do it is to pop it out that way. Now we are changing these out to put LEDs in. All the tools and products that we use here will be in the show more of the video description. The LEDs that we're using are the best that you can get. All we do is stick these underneath like this, and you pry down, and it comes out like that, and you pull it out. They're spring loaded, so grab the springs, squeeze it like that. You don't want them to come down real quick. Once you get it down like that, then you can turn this just like that. Bam. There's your halogen bulb. And we're going to clean this with some good window cleaner, front and back. Now the chances are that you're going to remove this again after you put LEDs in is pretty slim, but we'll take some dry lube, which we have on this cloth right here, and we'll just wipe that edge right there. Now we'll pull the bulb out and install the LED, which is this little bugger right here. And you can really see it good when you do it this way. You can tip it up. If you're half blind like I am, you can see exactly what you're doing. Move your springs up. I put one end in first, then the next. Now if you look at our channel, you'll find all kinds of cool stuff that we're doing. It's like that. We are a professional vehicle detailing company, and we've been doing it for years and years and years. This only goes in one way. It's thinner here than it is here, so there's little tabs right there. You just put the thin end where the tabs are. And if you have a stool, that helps. And you'll feel it click. And always check it by pulling down on it. That is done. Let's turn them on. Now look at that. Those do not get hot, and they last for like 25,000 hours.